Hey everyone, this is Eric, YesWeRentHouses.com, here with another property at 2901 East Cold Spring Lane, 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath. As you can see, nice hardwood floors, a little porch area, ceiling fan, brand new paint. Now look at this kitchen. This is awesome. New cabinets, stainless steel appliances. You saw your dishwasher, your stove, your microwave, super large refrigerator. And right off of your kitchen, you have a half bathroom. You can see very clean. And then right behind there, you have a sitting area. So if you have little kids, they can play right there while you watch them and cook dinner. Awesome little extra space. So we go downstairs, finished basement. As you can see, fully carpeted in the basement. So make our way back. There's also access outside from right here in the fenced-in backyard. That's where your washer and dryer will be. There's a light back there as well. So we go upstairs, take a look. Here's your full bathroom. As you can see, brand new tile, brand new everything in the bathroom. New vanity, very clean. Here's your first bedroom. Very spacious. Again, nice hardwood floors, ceiling fans. Here's your second bedroom. Again, this is 2901 East Cold Spring Lane, 3 beds, 1.5 baths. Give us a call today, 443-380-0075.